It's for young people, it's been set up with young people, and the idea is that it'll make Wales a better place to grow up. I think young people have a lot to say. There's so many platforms and so many different ways that you can say things and different ways that people can listen to you. So this will be a kind of organised way to listen to as many people as possible, and it'll be a good platform to create positive change. Because it's new and it's not something that children and young people have done before, it might be confusing the first time, but it's an opportunity for everyone. There's no reason, if you're between 11 and 18, there's no reason why you can't do it. So it's just about getting as many people involved and teaching people enough about politics that they feel confident and they feel ready that they can stand to be elected and then be a part of the Welsh Youth Parliament. I think once you're an elected member, you're responsible for representing opinions that are bigger than your own. So I think the first thing to do is to talk to as many people as you can, gather as many opinions as you can, and then listen to what children and young people need, and then move forward with that. It's for young people, it's been set up with young people, and the idea is that it'll make Wales a better place to grow up.